Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to study organic chemistry effectively. Organic chemistry can seem daunting, but with a structured approach, it becomes manageable. We'll start by building a solid foundation, focusing on core concepts like nomenclature, isomerism, and the basics of bonding. Understanding these initial principles is crucial, as they are the building blocks for everything else you will learn. Think of it as learning the alphabet before writing sentences. Next, let's dive into reaction mechanisms. Instead of just memorizing hundreds of reactions, strive to understand the why behind them. Focus on the electron flow using arrow pushing, which is key to predicting products. Identify common reaction types, like substitution or addition, and understand the role of different reagents. Grouping similar reactions helps you see patterns, making it easier to recall and apply your knowledge to new problems. This approach saves significant study time. Consistent practice is absolutely vital for success in organic chemistry. Don't just read, actively solve problems. This includes mastering conversions, which link different reactions, and tackling multi-step synthesis problems. Regularly practice naming compounds using EUPAC rules to solidify your understanding. Work through every example in your textbook and complete all end-of-chapter questions. Additionally, solving previous examination papers will familiarize you with common question types and help you manage your time effectively during tests. Finally, let's talk about effective revision and leveraging resources. Create your own summary notes, reaction charts, and flashcards for quick review of key reactions and reagents. Don't hesitate to use online resources, such as video lectures or interactive practice platforms, to clarify difficult topics. Forming a study group can also be incredibly beneficial, allowing you to discuss concepts and teach one another. Frequent review, perhaps 2 or 3 times a week, is essential to solidify your understanding and ensure long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.